Hey everyone, my name is Thomas Hummel. I'm the co-founder of Eduaide.Ai, and I'm a middle school science teacher. I'm going to show you guys on the site how to use engagement activities. So I'm going to go ahead and launch, and you can see here engagement activities is one of the first tools on our site. And we have it that way because it's hard to engage students with learning now probably than ever. And any teacher that's in the classroom today can tell you that. And so my students are actually coming off of a snow day, and we live over here on the eastern shore of Maryland, where my students really, really enjoy their summers. So snow days are not typical for us. I'm going to put down here snow days versus summer break, and we'll see what kind of engagement activities we can get out of Eduade. We have this set up to give you a quick couple list of things to do, some good ideas. Some would you rather questions, some deep questions, applied based questions, some thought experiments, and some riddles, just some different ways to engage students. I personally am only going to take these would you rather questions and start my class with the students having a discussion where they have to take a stance of would you rather. So, would you rather have a snow day every week for 1 month or have an extra week of summer break? It's just simple things like that where they have to weigh out this or that, and it gets them talking, gets them engaged, and sharing some experiences that they have. So that's how I'm going to use the engagement activities on my lesson tomorrow. Thanks.